Hey guys, welcome to Tools in 2, where we create tool reviews in 2 minutes or less to help your buying decision. Today we're looking at the TEKTON Everybit Everyday Precision tool set. Kind of a mouthful there. It's just a little micro screwdriver set, great for electronics or anything that has small areas to get into. You'll note first off, all the Torx bits have the hollow holes there, and some of these are kind of some odd units, right? Like a tri-Phillips, some other Torx and things like that. So some of these are security bits, useful for certain electronics. A lot of the things you're going to be opening up with this is void when opened, but that's okay. You know, sometimes you just need to get inside and figure out what's going on. The handle, super cheap, but when you look at the price of this thing, you say, oh, well, yeah, that's a handy thing to have anyway. Overall, this thing's under 10 bucks shipped from Amazon with all the bits. You got a little pry tool. If you guys don't know what this is, you probably haven't pulled apart many modern electronics, but that is useful for prying apart certain seals where there's adhesive, things like phones and tablets. A couple little nut drivers on here as well. Nice little unit. Again, real small pieces on here. Nice positive fit on things, and then it's got the nice little swivel so you can leave that in your fingers and this part stays still and the rest goes. You know, overall it's kind of cheap, but come on, for under 10 bucks, this is higher quality and it's got all the bits than some of the included tools. So for that, I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. Great value, definitely something to keep around in your toolbox or in your car, wherever you're going to use something like this.